routing antenna thing pakhata ajung omang khan kan mobile phone apo a software achunga mi kha ajung access ani root access kan ti chuan a software zongjunga control kha akuta omvek thin ani tuna approach le accounts chungchang ama sabera root joa phone a warranty kha azode thin ani mase company then khaten routing hi anna support rengani like MI le OnePlus angte mase atamzo company ho hian phone a routing ante hian warranty ante top de thinani routing laya tlemte po ti swala ompal chuan phone kha athi thu thei ani chuan siam thadle po ahar to ani root joa Google Android a security firewall kha achadei thinani chuan phone kha tupon hacker le malicious app kha olsamte in hack thei ani a data te po olsamte in andu chuak thei ani routing joa app company atangin automatic in update thin te po kha anti top dei thinani chuan phone software te po a hloi dei thina chuan chu manually update ngai thinani pros chuan tuna a routing a benefits te kan soyang root joa I phone kha engtin pon I modi thei ani available then khat processor mangin overclock le underclock po a thei ani root joa I phone a application omsa po kha I uninstall thei ani achangin Samsung le MI te po voi tam tak mobile sa pre-install app local thinani antenna news app langte adang po a omnualani kan man ngai lo app phone a omsa te routing zoa I app external memory po internal memory angin imang thei donani chuan apps le games te po directly in I internal memory a I install thei donani